Assalamu alaikum, respected judges. It is truly an honor to be here today. We are excited to present our blockchain project and share our vision with you. So, we are Team Crypto. I'm Hassan Farabi, the team lead. Then Isral is our blockchain analyst, Jayed is our D-app developer, Nusrat handles quality assurance, Shanto is our business lead, and Jarif works on UI UX. So together we cover everything needed to build this system. So before we dive in, let me introduce Raju. He dropped out years ago and never got a degree, but he still wanted a good job. To get that job, Raju went to the black market and paid 1 lakh taka, which is really wrong. An insider at a university tampered with the database to insert Raju's name. So after that, a fake certificate was printed that looked 100% authentic. No employer could detect it, and Raju got the job, which is very unfair. So this is not just one case because fake degrees in Bangladesh are sold for as little as 5,000 taka and as high as 25 lakh taka, and employers make bad hires for that. Honest graduates lose opportunities and regulators lose control. You can see the entire education system's credibility is at risk because of that. And we have seen this reported in the news many times, and fake certificates are not rare cases, they are a systematic problem. So now we can really understand that the problem, like the current certificate verification has so many loopholes, and in short, it's not secure at all. So, why it matters? Because it affects everyone. For Bangladesh, with 4.4 million university students, this is not a small issue, it's a national risk. So, we can clearly understand now at this point that it's time for change. That's why we are introducing ShikkhaChain, Bangladesh's first decentralized certificate verification system. And our solution brings tamper proof, instantly verifiable certificates to students, employers, universities, and regulators, all in one trusted blockchain ecosystem. So now the question is, why blockchain? Here's the difference. In centralized systems, insiders can manipulate records. Fake, certificate, Fake certificates can slip through and verification is slow. On blockchain, records are immutable, certificates are tamper proof, and verification is instant. This is why blockchain fits perfectly for education, for edtech. Around the world, we can see that universities like MIT, Harvard are already doing this, and our innovation is to bring it to Bangladesh in a way that's affordable and scalable. Look at the status quo. We can clearly see the current status quo is not trustable, and our offer is safe and reliable. So let's talk about our features. Here's how ShikkhaChain solves the problem step by step. First, tamper-proof certificates. Once issued, no one can alter them, not even insiders. Second, prerequisite cross validation. Every entry is checked at the start, so fake enrollments don't slip into the system. Thirdly, AI powered eligibility check, automating rules to reduce human errors and bias. Fourthly, multi signer governance. And finally, instant verification. Employers get answers in seconds, not weeks, making hiring faster and safer. So together, these features make ShikkhaChain not just a technology, but a beautiful ecosystem for education. So how do we create value? By ensuring data integrity at entry, robust security and governance, low cost scalable transactions, smooth university onboarding, stronger employer adoption, and eventually global expansion. So every pain point we saw earlier turns into a real gain. So these are our technical partners who can help us with blockchain infrastructure, integration, and scaling. And we are planning collaboration with government regulators and universities and legal bodies.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Jayed and I have developed a DL. I will talk about the network membership governance. The governance is crucial. Here's how it works. Regulators approve and oversee universities. Universities issue and revoke certificate as network nodes. And the employers verify through APIs. And finally, the students own their credential and share them with consent. So everyone has a role here. On the technical side, the certificate hashes and transactions are stored on-chain, while the students' records are stored in off-chain in IPFS. We use a permission blockchain with regulator with supervised nodes, so the sensitive actions like onboarding required multi-signature approvals. And this is the overall architecture: the client side, server side, the blockchain network, off-chain storage, and smart contracts all working together. This ensures reliability, speed, trust at every step. And this is how it works in practice. So the students enroll and receive blockchain-backed records. Institute issue or revoke the certificates with smart contracts. Employers and recruiters can instantly verify through an API. Regulators oversee the entire process. The transparency and compliance are ensured here, and everyone has a clear role, and the whole thing is connected to the blockchain. And talking about the certificate lifecycle, the certificates go through a full life cycle. It starts as admission, then tracks the academic progress, leads to certificate issuance, and then finally allows instant verification. Since each stage is secured by blockchain, the certificate is authentic and portable for life. So our rollout plan is step by step. In 2025, we will partner with 5 to 10 pilot universities. By 2026, we will expand to technical boards and colleges, especially the National University Network. In 2027, we will launch employer verification gateways and recruiter APIs. And by 2028, with regulator support, we will go nationwide with a public launch. This phase roadmap ensures adoption, learning, and scale. So, if we talk about the impact, we have followed four goals like quality education, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, and finally, peace, justice, and strong institutions.
All right, let's understand our business model real quick. Our token SHC is backed by BDT, which means it's stable, practical, and ready for real world use. Next, we generate revenue through our four main streams: platform fees, transaction fees, SaaS subscriptions, and smart credential bundles. This ensures long term sustainability from multiple channels, including B2B and B2C. Globally, certificate fraud costs billions of dollars each year. By capturing even 1% of that market, we open up a tremendous opportunities. In Bangladesh, with its 117 universities, 2,250 colleges, and 4.4 million students, our initial target market could generate over 14 million BDT annually. Year 1 is loss, year 2 is break even, and from year 3 onwards, we expect profitable growth with ROI above 50%. Unlike block charts or True Diploma, ShikkhaChain is endorsed by UGC, covers the entire ecosystem, offers a simple UI, and runs with a low-cost BDT-backed token, making it uniquely fit for Bangladesh. Key risks include adoption, regulations, scalability, and security exit. In 4 years, from national pilots to multi-credential system, digital ID integration, um, and global expansion, positioning Bangladesh as a global ethical leader. ShikkhaChain is not just a project. This is national digital infrastructure powering smart Bangladesh with trust, transparency, and verified skills. With ShikkhaChain, we ensure real talent shines, fake credentials fade, and Bangladesh leads the world in trusted education. Thank you, everyone.